All right, let's implement passwordless authentication. If we scroll down here under the Entra ID, I'm at the Entra Admin Center. We'll find multi-factor authentication. Let's click on it. Let's click on authentication methods here. So here the most common is the Microsoft Authenticator. Let's click on Microsoft Authenticator, and here we can see the target. If you want to select a group, or for the all users, we got to click all users. Please make sure you got to first enable. If it is disabled multi-factor Microsoft Authenticator, we got to enable it. Next we'll have the authentication mode. So here we got to click passwordless, which is pushes users away from the traditional password. We can select it, and next we'll click on save. It's saving authentication methods. All right, it says saving successfully. Authentication method was saved. We got the green tick mark. So that's what it goes for passwordless authentication. Here we can using the Microsoft Authenticator. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.